Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make a Stickman walk in Adobe Animate. Firstly, go to File, hit on New, and choose Action Script 3.0 with a frame rate of 24 fps. Then hit Create. Use the brush tool to draw a simple Stickman figure. To zoom in and zoom out, hold the Alt key and scroll your mouse to activate the zoom in and zoom out. Keep the Stickman separate on different layers if you want to animate each limb independently. Optional, but recommended. Now, let us start to draw. Let's draw the Stickman's head. Then draw the Stickman's torso. Draw the left arm, left leg, right leg. Then just create separate layers for each limb. To animate the basic walk cycle, you'll need to establish keyframes that represent different phases of walking motion. We'll use 8 keyframes for a complete walk cycle. Walk cycle keyframes. One foot touches the ground forward, and the other foot touches backwards. Use the onion skin to see the recent drawing. Hit the F7 to add empty keyframe. Recoil. The front leg bends slightly, and the back leg starts lifting off the ground. It must be on the frame 3. Passing position. The back leg passes the supporting leg and arms are neutral. It is set to frame 5. High point. The swinging leg is at its highest point and the support leg is right up. It is set to frame 7. Contact position. Opposite to frame 1, the front leg is now backward. It is set to frame 9. Recoil. Same as frame 3, but legs are reversed. It is set to frame 11. Passing position. Same as frame 5, but legs are reversed. It is set to frame 15. Preview your work by using the loop and move the slider to see all your frames and hit on the play button. So if I loop it backwards, it will work seamlessly like this. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.